ahubwo haza kushesherera izooba abantu 9 nibo baba bahamibwe kuba bakwasirwe endwara ya Ebola yabarukire omu ihanga rya Democratic Republic of Congo etekatandika kujanjara esande 2 zihingwire. Nyuma abaziyo abantu 2 bahamibwe kuba bakebirwe bakashangwa biine endwara ya Ebola omu Uganda okurugira aha Ministry y'ebyamagara. Okurugira aha Ministry y'ebyamagara abarwaire ba Ebola basya barimu omuntu arebukire ah'irwariro aine obumanyiso nk'obwa Ebola atyo nikwo kwihwa mu bandi kandi ondiijo n'omuntu owahikaine n'omuntu owabaire aine Ebola. Omu kwerinda okujanjara kw'endwara ya Ebola, gavumenti etiire emitendera ehikire kukuratirwa aha abantu boona otiireho n'omu mashomero. Okurugira ahari Dr. Diana Twine, Permanent Secretary wa Ministry y'ebyamagara, nagira ngu amashomero tigarakingwe konka nigateekwa kukuratira engyenderwaho zoona ezitiirweho okuhandiika n'okukuratiriza abeegi abarikuruga omu ihanga rya Congo n'ebindi bingi.
The schools in border districts shall remain open. However, they must strictly observe all Ministry of Health standard operating procedures. School authorities are directed to identify all students that have come from DRC and have come in the school, especially for boarding schools. And these students must be monitored in terms of temperature taking daily for 21 days. 21 days specifically is very important in this case because Ebola incubation period is 21 days. So within this period of 21 days, all the students that have come from DRC must be checked daily, their temperature, and recorded. If any student or a learner who has developed temperature in that period, we ask the district to designate a particular health facility where we can keep these learners, and we come and take the sample. If they are negative, we can treat other conditions. If they are positive, we transfer to the treatment units.
Nkaguma aha muringo gw'okwongyera kushomesa abantu aha burwaire bwa Ebola, gavumenti eragiire za radio na za television omu Uganda okuherezayo akaire katari hansi y'edakiika 30 buri izooba kwegyesa abantu ahari Ebola.
All media houses are required to dedicate at least 30 minutes of prime time programming daily to public education and sensitization on Ebola prevention, detection and reporting. We are going to issue a statutory instrument regarding this.
Dr. Diana Twine hati naenda baradisi boona barebuke ngu ebyona ebitiirweho kwerinda okujanjara kwa Ebola byateebwa omu nkora ahabwa oburungi bw'abantu boona.
All RDCs and RCs are instructed to strictly ensure implementation and enforcement of all Ebola prevention and control guidelines that have been issued by Ministry of Health and National Task Force.
Okurugira Dr. Diana Twine, Ministry y'ebyamagara etiireho enamba y'essimu aho abantu barikubaasa kuhayo amakuru agarukukwataho abantu abarukoreka obumanyiso nk'obwa Ebola kandi hoona abantu nibabaasa kumanyisa amarwariro agabari haihi kwenda kugira ngu abakugu birukangirira omuntu weena arikurebukaho nk'omurwaire wa Ebola.
Toll free line, I can read it again, 0800 100 066. I repeat, 0800 100 066. Please report anyone who will present with the symptoms that are Ebola-like symptoms. We also want to say that government of Uganda further reaffirms its commitment to sustained collaboration with government of DRC.
Nobwo endwara ya Ebola eriho bwahateye ekika kya bundi buryo, abahangu baine amasiko ngu abantu bakora ebirikubahabwa bakerinda okurwanisa okujanjara kwa Ebola egi nikibaasika.